How to fix Fiverr is down. So you might be in the position where you try to access to your Fiverr account but you are not being able to access to it and you are facing some issue on Fiverr. In this case, all you want to do is to make sure that the server of the application is down or not. In order to do that, head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for down detector. Head over to the very first site. Right here at the top you can see the source button, tap on it, and then search for the application Fiverr. Well, it will land you on this interface. Well, in this page you will be able to know if the server is down or not. Well, for you, if the server is down, then all you can do is wait for the Fiverr support to fix their server. Now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the source bar, search for Fiverr. Move into this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. If that's the case, all you want to do is tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Well, after updating, if you're still facing this issue, then in the next step what you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Well, in this page, search for the application Fiverr and then head over to it. Tap on storage and cache. You need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. Well, now the next thing you can just do is to uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Fiverr, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Fiverr is down. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.